Welcome to Learn Law with Saiful. Today we'll learn how to draft a plaint, the first and most important step when filing a civil case in court. What is a plaint? A plaint is a written complaint submitted by the plaintiff to the civil court to start a lawsuit. It sets out the facts of the case, legal rights, and the relief claimed. The rules for drafting a plaint are found in Order VII of the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908. Essential elements of a plaint. 1. Heading. Court name. Case title, e.g. Saiful vs. Kareem. 2. Details of the plaintiff and defendant. Names, addresses, descriptions. 3. Cause of action. When and how the dispute arose. 4. Jurisdiction. Why this court has the right to hear the case. 5. Facts of the case. Written clearly and in chronological order. 6. Relief claimed. What the plaintiff wants: money, possession, injunction, etc. 7. Valuation and court fee. Value of the claim and correct court fee paid. 8. Verification. Statement by plaintiff that facts are true, signed and dated. Example of relief clause. The plaintiff therefore prays that the Honorable Court may kindly decree the suit in favor of the plaintiff by passing a judgment and decree for Taka 5 lakh with interest and cost. Tips for drafting a good plaint. Keep it clear and to the point. Use proper legal language. Do not include unnecessary emotions. Stick to facts and laws. Always verify before filing. A well-drafted plaint is the foundation of a successful civil suit. Make sure it's legally sound, factually correct, and properly structured. Thanks for watching Learn Law with Saiful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.